Hello, I want to show you what comes in your kit when you do your training with us. So first of all, you get your kit, your full pro kit with all of the tools you need. This comes in this lovely vegan leather wallet, and in here is all of your tools that you need to do hair extensions. So let me show you what is in here. So in here you get your pliers for opening and closing hair extensions. You get 3 different types of beads. So you get your Nanorings, which are the teeny tiny beads. You get Microrings for doing individual hair extensions. And then you get silicone lined micro beads for doing wefts as well. You get 2 of these threader tools. These are what you use to put the beads onto hair. You get thread for doing weft hair extensions. You get 3 of these clamps for sectioning hair. You get your cute little scissors for weft hair extensions. You get lots of these little duckbill clips. Those are handy for wefts. You get your razor tool. This is for cutting hair extensions. This is the greatest tool ever for cutting hair extensions. You get your sectioning comb like this, Pintail comb. You get a soft bristle brush for brushing hair. And then you get these C-type needles for doing weft hair extensions as well. You get 3 of those. And then as well as that, you also get your full color training manual. This has everything you learn in step-by-step picture form, including all of your suppliers as well. You get all of your forms, so your client consultation forms, your release forms, and your aftercare forms. And then you also get your accredited certificate. And then everything comes in our iconic HETI bags.